consumer, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys for clicking on this video. If you are new, don't forget to click the subscribe button and the bell icon so that you know when I post new videos. If you are returning, thank you so much for coming back. Okay, as you can see by the title of this video, what we're going to be doing, we're going to be turning ourselves into Chucky, y'all. This is obviously an inspired look, not a costume, because why do we need a costume? You know, I just want to give y'all the vibes. And I hope y'all feel these vibes I put out, you know what I'm saying? Like, I did put my own little touches onto it, of course, because it's a look, it's an aesthetic, a vibe. So, it's not exact. Like, the red is different, the shirt is different, the overalls don't say good guy, but like I said, it's not a costume. But we're still gonna have a great time. So, if you are interested in to see how I went from this to this, then please do keep watching. Alright guys, so starting out, I'm going to be prepping my eye by using this this is foundation, cream foundation, but you can use concealer or whatever. I'm just doing this so that the color pops a little bit more. This is a really simple eye look. I'm really just using 3 shades. I'm using like an orangey red shade for my transition. My main red shade is just that, like any red shade will do. And then I'm just using a burgundy shade to darken it up just a little bit so that it's not super bright, because Chucky's eyes are not bright, okay? But yeah, that's all I'm doing. You can see here I'm just blending out the first transition shade. I'm going to put the red shade all over my eyelid, and the burgundy shade will be on the outer corner.
Waiting for the next surprise. Skeleton Jack might catch you in the back and
So because this is not a makeup tutorial, I just went ahead and did my foundation off camera. This is really more focusing on the eyeshadow. And also I want to mention that I used that same red and burgundy shade to make my eyebrows tinted so that they would be matching my hair. And now I'm just taking those same shades, the 3 shades I talked about before, and putting them under my eyes. For this look, you can really do your makeup however you want to. Just try to stay neutral. Like, I just really did the red theme. I'm going to be adding blush using that same red eyeshadow that I used, but you want to be very careful because it is pigmented, so you don't want to go overboard. The one thing that I did forget in this video was the freckles, and that's just because I wasn't thinking. But you can add faux freckles if you want, or if you already have freckles, go crazy. But yeah, so I'm really just contouring my nose, and then I'm just going to add some nude lipstick as well, because he's more doll-like, so he doesn't really have colored lips. But yeah, this is a very simple look, so continue watching. Drop a comment down below, guys, if you also are plagued with watery eyes. Like, I feel like it's a syndrome, watery eyes syndrome, because my eyes just water and water and water, and it's really annoying, especially when I'm trying to wear makeup. Anyway, back to the video. this is the finished look, everybody. Yes, this is a real knife. If you are underage or just in general, just be careful. I just grabbed this for the effect. But yeah, so this is how my hair turned out. I just curled it with a curling wand and I threw on this. This is a thrifted shirt. It's like kind of cropped, kind of not. But this is the closest thing I had to a similar type of shirt. And then I just got these overalls. They are from SHEIN. They will be featured in my next SHEIN clothing haul, so please do stay tuned for that if you are interested, because it is a huge one. It's bigger than both of the other ones that I've done, and it's going to be lit. Okay, so yeah, this is the look, you guys. Different red, but hey, like I said, the vibes are there. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please smash the like button and don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so that you're notified for when I post new videos. More are coming and they will definitely be as fun as this one. This one was super fun for me to make. I love Chucky, Child's Play, all that. Like, it's the ish. And if you haven't seen my last video, do go check it out. I'm telling you all types of movies to watch during October. They're all Halloween scary themes, so go check that out if you're bored or if you just love movies like I do. Okay, so thank you. See you guys in the next one.